How to log in Grammarly account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Grammarly account. For that, you want to open any web browser. Now search for Grammarly. Then you want to click on this website, which is grammarly.com. Once you get on this website, you want to click on the login option at the top of your screen. As soon as you click this, it will take you to another page. On the sign-in portal, you can sign in using different methods, such as you can enter your email address and click on the continue option, or you can sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Apple. In case you don't have an account, click on I don't have an account option, and from there you will be able to create your account. If you choose to sign in using your email, you will have to enter your password, and once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Grammarly account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.